The whole idea of ozone actually came to us when we saw advertisement over a newspaper, and Ganesh Shanbag was the one who introduced us to boson. And we were not at all aware of what boson is, what exactly it is needed for, and eventually we started exploring more and more about it. Then me, Rachita, Abhilash, we were the one who actually went ahead, met Ganesh Shanbag. So he was also super excited about it, because this is not for any commercial purpose, more of a cause for the green earth kind of thing, right? So we went ahead and we visited his society. He showed us entire plant, and we were really amazed how water like STP water can be transformed into a drinkable water, right? So, and then we were like said that we have to get this in our society no matter what. Eventually called for the special meeting specifically for boson, right? And even residents were also super excited because of this initiative, because we were incurring around 2 to 2.5 lakhs every month for sending water out. Again, this amount is not less at all. And knowing the fact that our society was looking for a cost reduction, 2.5 lakhs monthly expenses, which is somewhere around 50 lakhs over and above, on the yearly basis, this can straight away go down to zero. Right? So we started initiating on that. We started having discussions with Mr. Vikas, Rupa, and they were very supportive, by the way. The best part was, they have a lot of other things to take care of. There are a lot of other plants that needs to be taken care of. They were on the ground with us in the initial days when the whole paperwork was being done, where we wanted an understanding of what exactly this is, how it is going to help us out. Site identification, the plant size identification, how this plant is going to help us, overall reduction of the water as well. Everything was super clear to us. Right, before the signing of the agreement. It was so clear to us. Thank you, Mr. Vikas. Thank you, Rupa, as well. You guys have been very supportive. And today is the day. We are really happy, because we thought, we don't know whether it will happen or not. We just took the call.
Yes.
Let's get it going, see whether it happens or not. In 2.5 months, everything is ready and it's up and running. Last month we sent around 40 plus tankers out, which is net saving at least 45,000 rupees saving for the society. Thank you, Boson.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.